Welcome, I'm Jennifer Raye, and in this series I aim to provide accessible, empowering, and inspiring high-level health strategies. It's my belief that conventional medicine doesn't always address our health concerns, and we need to start turning towards natural remedies and earth-based medical systems that have long histories in order to find more solutions and support. In particular, in this series, I focus on herbal medicine, food as medicine, and daily habits. So join me for this series and take your health into your own hands. In today's video, I'm going to discuss the body's pain response and inflammation. Chronic pain can be so difficult to deal with. So whether it's shoulder pain or knee pain, back pain, joint pain, maybe it's menstrual cramps or headaches or pain due to IBS, we can find natural solutions to help really support us in that situation. So listen in to learn what you can do. When you experience pain in the body, it's oftentimes due to inflammation. The body creates an inflammatory response in order to make you turn your attention towards an area that needs your awareness. Pain is definitely a signal. An injury or imbalance of some sort is causing inflammation, which then leads to pain. So your first step is to really step back and give yourself an opportunity to heal. And also you want to pay attention to what is the underlying cause, of course, of the pain. So if you continue to aggravate the inflammation with further activity or triggering behavior, the pain and inflammation, of course, will continue. Inflammation doesn't just happen on its own. It happens and it gets worse due to a disruption in the body's immune system response. So contributing factors can be things like poor sleep and stress, a sedentary lifestyle or poor posture, past injury, nutrient deficiencies, adrenal or hormonal imbalances. It can be due to things even like chronic viral infections, to name just a few. You can think of the body's inflammatory response like a fire. If left unchecked, it can lead or cascade into a whole series of more serious inflammatory conditions. As always, it's important you receive a proper medical diagnosis, especially if the pain is chronic or severe, just to rule out more serious conditions. Pharmaceuticals are sometimes a good option for temporary relief, but when taken regularly, they can actually lead to more serious conditions. So studies show that NSAIDs, these are the medications like ibuprofen, can cause things like stomach ulcers and even gastritis when taken for as little as 5 days in a row. So because of this, it can be helpful to use more natural remedies for relief. There are many categories of herbs that help with pain, but for today's video, I'm going to focus on reducing inflammation in the body overall. So as you implement these lifestyle changes and these herbal remedies, remember it may take some time, but you should notice a decrease in your pain overall. The single most important thing to remember is all the lifestyle stuff. So really this can make a profound difference. So things like making sure that you get enough sleep, really getting that deep rest that you need. And I do have another video about sleep, so you're welcome to check that out. I'd also recommend having an Epsom salt bath about once a week or so. This will really help to reduce tension and stress and pain in the body. You could even add some drops of essential oil like lavender or another calming oil to the bath to help as well. It's super important that you decrease inflammatory foods. So this is things like sugar and dairy and alcohol and white flour, and increase the veggies in your diet. Stay really hydrated with pure water and make sure you eat enough omega-3 fatty acids. So you can get this from fatty fish or flax or walnuts or even chia. You can also take a supplement as well. The first herb I'd like to mention is turmeric. Now, of course, turmeric is most well known for its yellow color and its use in Indian food, but it can be used for so many other things. It really is such an amazing herb and can be used for so much more than color and flavor. Turmeric has within it a carotenoid called curcumin, which helps to inhibit the inflammatory response in the body. In particular, it's best used for cases of osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis, but really it can be used for many inflammatory conditions in the body overall. Now, the easiest way to use turmeric is just use it in your food. So you could use about 1/4 of a teaspoon to 1/2 a teaspoon in your food every day, and this will help to bring inflammation down in your body. You could also use it in capsules, and in that case, you'll want to follow the directions on the bottle as far as contraindications and recommended dosages. The next herb I'd like to highlight is ashwagandha. Ashwagandha could even be taken at the same time as turmeric. Ashwagandha is a stress-relieving herb that's also very anti-inflammatory. It helps to build energy while at the same time as being deeply nourishing. One of my favorite ways to take ashwagandha is mixed into warm milks. You could mix it into something like almond milk or rice milk. The fat helps to deliver the herb into the body. Now, if you're interested in ashwagandha, be sure to check out my other video on adaptogen herbs for more information. Well, I hope that helps you to reduce inflammation in your body and find greater ease. Let me know in the comments below what suggestion you've been able to include and whether you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you sign up for my mailing list over at jenniferraye.com, I promise to keep providing you information that inspires you to reconnect with how deeply capable you are of finding your true health potential. See you again very soon.